even though we're down, they beat us twice, but the spirit is high with the team, and they really step up this game. What I said, we are here in the finals because of our defense. I think our defense steps up right now. I think we gave Pure Foods only 80 points or below 80. As long as we can play our defense, we'll be doing good right there in the finals. And I do appreciate my players for doing great tonight, and I commend Paulo for stepping up his ball game, and hopefully he can continue to step up as well in the next game. I just have to play one game at a time, and we'll see. We'll see on Wednesday.
I think it's a case of you parang falling short than being massacred, no? What was being expected of you? Is it something na parang more of a consolation for your team?
That's the kind of fighting heart that we have displayed all throughout the conference, and we fought till the end. Like what I've mentioned, playing without James Yap is just like joining the marathon with one leg. So whatever you do, we tried to crawl towards the finish line, but we were simply short of our top scorer. So it's very sad. The outcome is very sad. But I think the bigger story right now is the suspension of James Yap. I think there are a lot of questions more than answers. And I have yet to hear from the Commissioner's office. And I think that's also the question that all our supporters are asking for, an even ordinary basketball hour.
Yung suspension, coach, has been served na, but is it something na parang do you plan to use it still as parang rallying point or motivations of players?
Well, at this point kasi, what else can they do if they can upgrade something which was originally not there, if they can come up with a penalty as big as suspending a former MVP, and at this point, I just told my players, I think we're being persecuted right now, and I don't know why. We are the nice guys in the league, and somehow all this are happening to us. But we've come from a 1-3 hole before, and we're down 2-3, and we're playing on Wednesday with our main man, and he can team up again with my other main man in Kirby Raimundo. So hopefully things can be better for us. I'm just hoping that they're still mentally ready to face all the challenges in spite of all the outside factors that are hounding us at this point.
What do you think, Coach? Twice to beat advantage meron Santa Lucia?
It can be done. A lot of things have happened in the past, and people were saying we cannot come back. 0-2, we cannot come back. 1-3, we cannot come back. And somehow, we proved all our doubters wrong. And that's exactly the kind of confidence level that I have at this point. If we've done it before, we can do it again.
The prospect of going Game 7. I remember before, yung mga problems niyo was more of physical, no? Parang sunod-sunod yung laro. But this time, mukhang maganda yung scheduling. Will that be a major factor para sa team?
I'm not even looking at Game 7. My speech after the game was, there is no Game 7 if we don't survive Game 6. So they need one game, we need one game. So what is more important, for them to win one or for us to stay alive? I think mas malalim ang kahulugan ng laban namin, hindi lamang laban sa basketball, ngunit laban din sa maraming mga bagay, lalo na kung ano yung ginawa sa amin.